Hello, we are with Brian Lowen and Chris Davidson, and Brian is going to walk us through the feature for the customer queues, and I will let Brian take it from here.
Hi, my name is Brian Lowen, and I am one of the software engineers that helped to implement the queue item record set navigation. And so without further ado, we'll get into that. So basically what this feature is it's basically just aligning parity with other entities. So like if we go to cases here, you'll see if you open up a record, you have this little flyout window here. And this window basically just contains all the records that were in the previous view that you were on. So for instance, if we go back to cases and we flip it to, right now it says active cases, but if we go to all cases instead, open up this record, you'll see that all cases also are, in this view here, and then you can quickly navigate between them all. So before this improvement, queues actually did not have this functionality at all. When you open it up, there was no flyout, there's no way to quickly navigate between the different records. So now with this functionality, we actually support this. And so now we can see that all items was the previous view I had here, and then we can quickly navigate between the different records. And this works for all entities. Right now I just have cases in here, but this also works for tasks, email, any kind of entity that can also be a queue item. And it allows you to just quickly navigate between them. And it retains all the filters of the previous view, just like any other entity. So like I could change this to we'll leave it actually at all items here, but then we can change the second filter to maybe like user one queue. And so then we can open up again. And this is actually all the items from user one queue. So ideally what an agent can maybe do here is switch it to the view that they want to see and filter it on the queue that they want to do. And then they can quickly navigate between the different records that way. All relevant items to whatever view they're trying to navigate between. Streamlining the process of not having to continuously click the back button or navigating back to queues in order to open up your next record. You can actually just go to the next one right through here. So I think that's all for a queue item.
Awesome. Well, if anyone has any questions, please comment below. If this is getting into the level of information you're interested in, please let us know. Or if you'd like us to do a deeper dive, please, again, use the comment section below this video to provide feedback and like our video if you're happy and would like to see more. Thanks, Brian.
Thank you.